Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're stepping inside a machine that completely redefines what it means to live and travel in luxury. Imagine cruising down the highway not just in comfort, but in full-blown five-star decadence. The 2025 Prevost Luxury Motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling palace, and it comes with features most homes don't even dream of. Let's start with the shocker. Yes, this motorhome has a jacuzzi. Tucked into the rear lounge area, it's a custom-fit, jet-powered tub with mood lighting, temperature controls, and even a retractable privacy screen. You're literally soaking in luxury while parked beside a lake, or a mountain, or the Vegas Strip. Wherever you are, Prevost turns it into a personal resort. Next, the theater room. Not a TV on a wall. This is a full-blown, soundproofed cinema suite. It features reclining leather seats, a 75-inch 8K screen, Dolby Atmos surround sound, and fiber optic starlighting on the ceiling. With blackout shades and built-in streaming systems, it's Netflix and chill taken to a whole new level. Now, let's talk about that garage. Hidden beneath the rear deck, there's a custom hydraulic lift that stores a full-sized motorcycle or even a compact electric vehicle. You roll up in a Prevost, then hop out and take your personal ride around town. It's practical, genius, and insanely cool. Under the hood, the 2025 Prevost is powered by a Volvo D13 engine pushing out 500 horsepower. It's quiet, smooth, and has enough torque to climb mountains effortlessly, even while hauling this nearly 55,000-pound beast. Inside, it's all Italian leather, handcrafted cabinetry, quartz countertops, and real hardwood floors. Smart controls run everything, from climate to lighting to security, with a single swipe. You can literally say, "Movie time," and the entire cabin shifts to theater mode. And of course, there's no shortage of luxury extras. A wine cellar, massage chairs, heated flooring, and even a hidden panic room. Yes, it has one. The 2025 Prevost isn't for everyone. But if you're looking for the ultimate fusion of power, prestige, and indulgence on wheels, this is it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your jaw in the comments. You've just experienced the 2025 Prevost here on Engine Explorer. See you in the next ride.